This is a miwa DS I'm trying to get on camera. It's 10 wafers, 5 on top, 5 on bottom. Lawlux tools, 47 thousandths, and just a Peterson standard hook in 25. That's on 1, 2, 3, 4 is a 0 lift. Click out of 5. Click out of 1. Nothing on 2. Click out of 3. 2. Alright. So, number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 1. There we go. Okay. So, it doesn't turn all the way. So now basically 5. Sorry, but I'm cheating a little. Two. Should be 5. So there's 5. Maybe some out of 3. 2 again. Screw it. I'm just gonna put it back where it was. I don't know if that was exactly where it was, but yeah, we're just gonna put it back where it was. Two, 3, 4. There's 5. There's 5 on this one. I don't know if I don't know what's going on up top here, but I just can't seem to get. There we go. So now that's 5 up top, I think, or bottom, top, whatever you want to call it. So 1, 2, that's 3, 4. All right. I probably just overset something, and that's why it's not turning all the way. Yeah. Usually. Giving me a hard time because the way that the angle of these pins. Yeah, I overset 4. Okay. So that one, 2. Maybe I only need to hit 2 of them. I probably don't have to hit number 2. I mean, it's a long video, but again, it is what it is. Okay. I'm not having good luck with that. But it's not opening. That's weird. There's 1, there's 2, 3, 4. Okay. That's why. I don't know why it's not opening for me. There we go. I had to press number 3 down. So that's as far as I'm gonna go, because oh shit, is that as far as I'm gonna go? Yeah, that's as far as I'm gonna go, because I could just put the key in and spin it back around. But that is the miwa DS.